Guys,
Wait, what?
what's the plan here?
I shall fetch a rug.
No, you will not. That rug was a gift from the Aziri Khan himself. And besides, we're not going far.
Is that hard to do? With those big old ballpark Frankenfingers?
Hurry up. The Beekmans will be back any time, and nobody touch anything.
God, Cyril, would you go?
I should be carrying her.
Cyril, I paid her. I get to carry her corpse.
See? Just look at this bathroom.
I kind of like it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
All right, drop them there next to that awful Louis XV repro. Now then, we want this to look like a classic hooker murder-suicide. So, Cyril, take Sterling's gun and pump around into his prostitute.
Wait, what?
Everyone shoots the chippy.
Wait,
That way we're
what?
all in it together.
Wait.
Think of it as a team-building exercise.
But Odin gets to go on Outward Bound.
Well, Odin can suck it. Now shoot!
Oh, Jesus.
Ew!
You're next!
God, Cyril, that was pathetic.
Shut up.
Come on, everybody
Hey, I want
shoot!
to go. Bam!
Now, Sterling, drop your gun between
Yeah,
the bodies.
no. Have you ever seen CSI? This is already like Clue Town.
Not for long. Dr. Krieger, dear,
What? Oh.
Cyril, call 911 from their phone and leave it off the hook. And Sterling...
This gun, it was a gift.
Oh, please, nobody gives you gifts.
You don't know.
Whatever you say, dear. Dr. Krieger? Now
They
then.
still didn't get the UN contract.
Oh, but I will. And I'll get to see Trudy Beekman try to explain this little barbecue to the co-op board.
That smell takes me back, just like a Zambezi feast.
Yeah, I'm kind of hungry. Is that weird?
It would be weirder if you weren't.